Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will give you a complete Odoo review and walkthrough for 2025. We will go through its main features, how it actually works, and the pros and cons so that you know if it is the right ERP for your business. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, when you come here on odoo.com, you will be shown this prompt that says all your business on one platform. Over here on this page, if you just scroll down a bit, you will be taking a look at bunch of these options here. So before hopping on how you can get started with these options, we need to just briefly understand what is Odoo exactly. So Odoo is an all-in-one business management software that combines ERP, CRM, HR, inventory, accounting, marketing, and more into one platform. It is basically an open source and modular, so you can add the applications as your business grows. So here, as I've told you earlier, you will find a bunch of different options here. Like first of all, we have accounting, then we have knowledge CRM. So with the help of these, you are going to basically get a clean dashboard. With the help of, you will be able to customize your hub where you can access all of these modules. So it will look something like this. Then if you select the option of CRM here, CRM is going to help you with managing your leads, tracking the opportunities, and forecasting the sales. After that, we have the option of inventory. So if you click on the option of inventory and sales, you will be able to handle the stock levels, the sales orders, and further fulfillments. So you will find a bunch of different these kinds of tools over here. So you can click on the tool in which you are interested specifically. After that, you can sign up on odoo.com and start using it very easily. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.